in the forest. Really, in a good moment, there is such a silence, and there's no wind, there's no movement. There's a bird in the distance, there's some building works over yonder, there's a dog standing here, there's me looking at you, there's a body, there's life under the earth, there's life in the trees, but it's still and it's silent. And it's this stillness and this silence opens. See how unfixed it is? It opens and opens. By and by everything is silent. So sort of the end of this silence and this stillness. It's the end of separation. That's the purpose of deepening into this, being willing to go deeper and just sit. We call it meditation. I don't really call it meditation. I just call it sitting with what is. And in that sitting with what is, the mind becomes less. Sometimes it becomes more, but often with enough courting, it becomes less and less and less. And so something else happens, some deeper energy, some deeper stillness, some deeper opening happens. And in that deeper opening, so we open and the whole world sort of starts to become osmotic, if you like. No, less and less separation. Only the mind has this idea of separation. It's upheld endlessly through the emotions and the emotional mind, and the world feeds back to us, yes, you're separate, yes, everything is separate. But as you go deeper and deeper and deeper, there's an intelligence, a vibratory field inside everything that informs everything. And this is where there's no real sense of separation. Separation happens on the surface, but not on the deeper level. Sat many years ago in a kind of sacred ceremony in England, and somehow something happened, and there was definitely a merging and a union with the intelligence of the trees, the intelligence of the earth, and the intelligence of all things, and the intelligence within us, experienced directly through us, through me. I know that to be real in my visceral, deep energy body. That's the purpose, and that's the grace, and that's the beauty, and that's the power of being willing to go deeper and deeper and get more and more soft and more subtle. Can't be forced, can only be courted with grace.